we'll get messed up. Did we lose the witch?
Yes!
Okay, so then we jumped out of the boat, and then, what did we see on the ground? It went quicksand! Ah! Okay, so we had to grab on the vines. You see the vines up there? We had to grab onto the vines and go swinging, 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 swinging through the vines, and then we landed. Okay, we were safe. But then, oh my goodness, there were dragons snapping flowers, and you can't wake them up, because if you do, they're gonna snap at your ankles and they're gonna bite you. So we had to tiptoe, and we're tiptoeing this way because the dragon's cave is over there. So we're tiptoeing, tiptoeing, tiptoeing. Shh, very, very, very tiptoe, tiptoe, really quiet. Don't say anything. You have to whisper if you have anything to say. Does anyone have anything to say? Okay, you gotta whisper. What do you want to say? Oh, where's the dragon?